Po, nag-aaral po ako ng driving. Eto po ang the best, school, driving dito sa Achman. Check niyo po yung number on the website, nandun po yung name. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं जी आप लोग? ठीक ठाक हैं? You need to come there. Okay, this is your exam area. Okay, go straight. Hi. This time you must get driving lessons. Okay, this is your last exam. Final. Okay, go left. This is your stop line. You need to stop there. Not good, not good. Why you not done there? Why you not done before come in this line? You must be take your angle position. Go straight. And you need to see far. Stop there. Stop. Stop. Double lizards. Put double lizards. Yeah. Wait for him. What they are doing? What is this? Lahore. Okay, go now. Go same line up. Yes. Check. Be careful for the kids. Okay, go. If you see near in the road there is a kids, you don't put your foot in the accelerator. You keep your foot in a brake. Okay. We have a stop. We need to go left. Stop there. Go near the line. Check both sides. Check both sides. Huh? If clear, then go. Okay, go. Where is your indicator? Go same line. Huh? Straight. When your car face will be straight, gradually give more accelerator. Okay. As soon as possible, you have to get 40 in your road limit. Your speed. Okay. 40. Yes. Go straight. And when you are using the foot brake, you have to see in middle center mirror. You need to know behind us. Check both sides. I know we are first priority, but in a safety, we need to see both sides. Go straight, huh? Straight. First stop, then check both sides. This is your stop sign, and you know where we need to stop? Near this pillar, front of this pillar. We need to see the little bit in a line, stop line. This one. Yes, yes. Wait, huh? Both sides. Okay, go now. Now, for example, the police lady, she will tell you, okay, stop there. You need to go out of the road. Come in outside the road. Sometimes she will change the student. Come there. Okay, turn that side. This is not a proper parking. And y- okay, straight your tire. Straight. This is not straight your tire. Turn my side. More. Turn my side. More. This is your straight tire. Okay. Up your handbrake. Put in B. Double is that. And tell her, ma'am, this is not emergency parking. This is not proper parking. Okay, understand here? Okay. What you are telling in your friends to come with me for tell to Takalo your language. I'm driving now. No, your language. Okay. Hello po. Nag-aaral po ako ng driving. Ito po ang the best school driving dito sa Achman. Check niyo po yung number on the website. Nandun po yung name. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.